Alpine Pat here, Wednesday, February 9th. This is not my normal environment this time of year, being in the hotel lobby, but it's going to make do. I'm usually slope side, but I want to talk about the slopes real quick. Conditions have been excellent the last 3 weeks. We got a base pushing 2 to 2.5 feet. We made snow last Monday night into Tuesday morning and laid a fresh blanket of white down. And I'll tell you, snowmaking operations is not quitting yet. The terrain park, as usual, looks dynamite. I mean, those features are manicured daily, and our second high-speed rope tow is operable or in service on weekends. But what I really want to talk about is this upcoming weekend, one of my special weekends of the year, and that being Valentine's Day weekend. Love will be in the air in the valley this weekend, being Valentine's Day. But Alpine Valley's got some specials for Valentine's weekend, some packages. A one-night stay, or a romantic dinner for two, and a romantic dinner for two, or just a romantic dinner for two, take her back to your place. But what really caught my eye on this was the Alpine Valley themed Vowel Renewal that will be going on Saturday. I have our marketing manager here, Susie, who will explain the Vowels exchange. And Susie,
hi Pat.
Glad you can join me.
Yeah, that's awesome. How exciting.
Vowel Renewal, that's something.
It's going to be awesome. We're going to have a great crowd here at Alpine Valley in the Valley for our Valentine's Day specials. We have actual minister coming here to renew their vows right here inside the hotel lobby. There's 2 times, at 3 o'clock and at 5 o'clock on Saturday.
Wow, okay. I mean, come on out, just be a spectator and partake or whatever, But I guess you don't need Valentine's Day weekend to really, I mean, we could have weddings here throughout the year.
Oh my gosh, we are so excited about our new pavilion outside. It's an outdoor pavilion with chandeliers. It's a rustic but yet very fun venue. So it's beautiful.
It looks awesome. I've been on there, and it's like that fireplace. I mean, it's open air. It's totally awesome, So our wedding's getting booked up pretty good.
We are. We're booking it for 2022 already and looking into 2023.
Okay.
So give us a call at the event department and we'd be happy to set up a meeting with you and just sit down and plan your special day with us here at Alpine Valley.
I mean, Alpine Valley is just not a ski resort. I mean, it's love in the air here. I mean, LOVE, come to the valley, But for all you bachelors and bachelorettes that don't have a sweetheart, come on out. I mean, you can meet somebody. Use the singles line. Singles means could be dual purposed on the Valentine's Day weekend, So get out here, But I was here last week, Wednesday, February 2nd, which was Groundhog's Day, and I see my shadow all day. So 1 week ago, I'm predicting 5 more weeks of winter fun in the valley. Come on, don't procrastinate. Get out here where the conditions are excellent. Hope to see you soon. Yeah.